arrived in a Kintamani, so we will try to have a cup of coffee. That's Kintamani is famous for its coffee. Let's go.
Kintamani Coffee.
Here we go.
Hello.
So I like to try the best coffee in Kintamani. So I heard that many people say that this is the best place to try coffee.
Alright, we are in Akasa Kintamani now, in the area that's located in the northern highlands of Bali. This is the place that has all the factors needed that perfect coffee production process, including the highly favorable climate and rich volcano soil. The lands between two main volcanoes, Batur and Agung, is where the most Kintamani coffee cultivation is carried out. The Balinese brew is 100% Arabica single origin specialty coffee with an incredible smooth body. Its signature taste really shines thanks to the handful of family farmers in Kintamani who takes the time to pick up the coffee cherries one by one from their coffee trees, many of which are decades old. And I hope the coffee really tastes as good as the production looks like. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, nice view, Saya.
Yeah, so I tried the cappuccino here, and wow, as you can see that this
Oh, thank you.
is with the best view
Thank you so
and with
much.
the best coffee as well.
Let's try. It's finally time for my coffee. Check this out, guys. Ooh.
So we have a hot cappuccino, and also we have a fried banana.
The best coffee in this area with the best view, as you can see, of the Batur volcano. And what do you have, honey?
So I have a fried banana. I already cut it for you, Kahanye.
Oh,
And this one with the brown sugar, I would like to try it.
enak? Tastes good?
So good, crunchy, and the banana is hot, sweet, and so delicate.
Yeah, with this view, everything is nice. Give me some.
Okay.
I wanna try.
What do you think? So good, yeah?
So good.
And the banana also so fresh. So having coffee with a breathtaking view